Hi there, my name is Pani, and today I'm going to talk to you about how I manage my seborrheic dermatitis and rosacea while doing my makeup. Believe me, I know it's not easy to deal with these conditions, especially when it comes to makeup. But my darlings, I've got some tried and tested tips to make sure you slay your makeup game without irritating your skin. So first things first, let's talk about seborrheic dermatitis. It's like an unwelcome guest that shows up on oily parts of our bodies like face, scalp, upper chest, and underarm in the form of red, scaly patches. But you can manage it effectively with the right products. Step 2 is all about identifying your triggers. For me, it's hormonal changes and lack of sleep that turn my skin into a hot mess. But for you, it could be stress, certain foods, or extreme weather condition. So pay attention to what sets off your skin, and you'll be well on your way to happier skin. So, on days when my seborrheic dermatitis is acting up, I turn to topical creams. But I don't rely on them like every day, because they can thin out your skin. Instead, I've developed a gentle skincare routine that controls oil production in the affected area. I use an antifungal shampoo once a week to wash my face, then followed by a gentle face wash on other days. The one I use is from Bioderma, and to be honest, so far it's been amazing. It reduced the ease on the affected area. As you know, for people like us, it's different, as our skin has more ease than it should. Then I use 2 non-steroidal face creams, specifically designed for seborrheic dermatitis, to keep oil production under control, mattify the skin, and soothe redness. To be honest, these products have been game changers for me. Now let's talk about makeup. We need to choose products that won't irritate our seborrheic dermatitis. I usually avoid wearing foundation on the affected areas, but there are days when I really want to glam up. I wash my face with antifungal shampoo again. Then I apply a thin layer of topical cream to prevent flare-ups and clear all the redness in the affected area. Then I wait for 10 to 15 minutes before applying my seborrheic dermatitis face creams. For foundation, I go for an oil-free and lightweight formula, and I apply it with a tapping motion. I used to use beauty blender, but now I'm happier with brush. I skip the primer, but if I must use one, I go for a lightweight oil-free hydrating primer. And when it comes to contouring my nose, I use a powder contour instead of a cream or liquid, and apply it very gently. For setting my makeup, I usually skip the baking process as it ruins my makeup. And if I want to use setting spray, I avoid spraying it on the affected areas, as it has alcohol in it, and alcohol is one of the biggest triggers for your seborrheic dermatitis. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope this routine helps you too. I've listed all the products I use in the description box. Remember, taking care of your skin should always come first, and with the right products and routine, you can have happy, healthy, and glam skin. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more skincare and makeup tips.